Hi everyone, thank you for joining me once again. Today we're going to talk about the fire of the Shekhinah. In Jewish mystical writings such as the Zohar, we come across this thing called the fire of the Shekhinah. The Shekhinah, the divine feminine manifestation, is being described of this fire that keeps on burning, and it could have a lot of dual meanings. On one hand, fire was always considered as something which purifies everything and is a symbol between what is sacred and what is not. There's even tradition that when Moses was talking to the burning bush, the one that was talking from this burning bush was actually the Shekinah, and she accompanies the Israelites and God all throughout the Exodus, and maybe is also connected to this pillar of fire that guides them during the night. In the Tree of Life, she's connected to the lower spheres, such as Malchut, royalty, and sometimes even to wisdom. And she's being described as this fire that warms everything from underneath. This fire could also be represented by desire, the warmth of desire. They say that when a man and a woman find their true spouse in the world, the Shekinah joins them and she makes them love one another. So this fire could also be a symbol of love and fertility. When the Shekinah drifts away from her sacred places, when the Israelites are suffering, or when there are things that are happening in the world which isn't good, her fire could also become this thing that which consumes what is unholy. So it very much depends on what is happening in the world, and when she appears as the good fire, she will bring creation. This fire could be represented in white color when she brings good things, and in red color when she brings less good things. But when this fire is good and is connected to the fire of God, they come together and create this thing called the inspiration of the Shekinah. And maybe this inspiration and this fire is what surrounded Mount Sinai, that was very stormy and surrounded by lightnings when the Ten Commandments, when the Torah was given. Until today, and we said it before, when Shabbat, the sacred day of the Shekinah, is entering at Friday Eve, the women of the house are lighting candles. They light fire in those candles in order to mark a sacred area where the Shekinah can come. Do you know stories about fire from all over the world? Do share them with us. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.